Hello ladies and gentlemen! Recently my Microsoft Xbox 360 wireless receiver died. To repair it I need a 0-ohm fuse. I could just bridge the broken fuse with a wire, but I like to repair the dongle properly since I have so many old 360 controllers I wouldn't be able to use otherwise. Buying a 0-ohm fuse is possible, but only found shops who sell those in bulk. I just need one, not 10,000. And I don't want to spend more than the new dongle will cost, obviously. A lot of USB gadgets and other electronic devices have those kind of 0-ohm fuses. They are most likely located next to the power management on PCBs of those devices. I just started cutting an HP notebook when I remembered that I have some broken mice laying around. I pulled the rubber feet from a Logitech MX Revolution, unscrewed the screws and opened that puppy right up. 2 0-ohm fuses are located on the wrist end of the mouse, quite close to the copper contacts for charging. I thought I saw a third one, but for some reason I just can't find that one anymore. So, yeah. As you can see, hopefully, desoldering this ultra tiny fuse even works with the cheapest $10 soldering iron with a giant tip. I would recommend you use some braided copper desoldering wire, makes the whole thing way easier. Using a better iron would definitely make this easier as well, but to prove the point, it worked with the cheapest one just fine. Alright, that's it. Next time I'm going to show you how to replace that 0-ohm fuse on the wireless dongle. This video is a bit different than my regular gaming content. I hope you like it. More DIY, repair and whatnot videos coming soon. Stay safe, take care and all the best. See you soon. Bye!